Be careful with that Geek Squad. I don't want no one else to get hurt.
Okay.
I'm glad everything's back to normal.
I can't believe Lucy's gone.
Yeah, too bad she's gone. What the hell?
Hey! Lucy, you're alive! But how? Well, remember when Mama self-destructed while I was holding her? I just teleported.
Wow, that was some quick thinking.
Mm-hmm. Well, it looks like you guys took care of Prototype. Where is he now?
Yeah, we took care of him. Prototype was actually that evil scientist, Albert the Creator. But don't worry, he's not alive anymore and locked away in the basement.
Am I really gone?
I thought he was gone.
He was!
Time for Plan B.
Plan B? What's Plan B?
The beginning of the end.
Hey, what's that device you just pressed?
You'll see soon enough.
He's getting away. Who's that?
It's another android.
Everything ends with me.
Well, looks like we're getting back to work. I can't move.
Baby Booshka! Ready to play?
Yeah! Will you quit shaking?
Timmy! Lucy!
Timmy, what's going on?
Dad, there's another killer android, T-5000. Timmy, that's not your dad. Goodbye.
You did it, Timmy!
No!
Oh!
Billy! Please! I'm too young to die! Why are you doing this?
I was programmed to destroy Android 1 and 2, Lucy and Luke.
But why?
Exactly 2 years from now, Luke and Lucy will destroy the world and everything in it.
That can't be.
I wanna play a game.
Is that you, Casper?
Yeah, it is.
I'm too good.
Bro, behind you. I knew he was gonna fail. He's a failure.
No one will stop me.
Pronto pra devorar.
Please! You don't have to destroy Luke and Lucy. They're good robots now.
Robots are never good. They will die.
No!
That won't help you.
What the hell? Behind you! Where'd he go?
Mikey!
Where's that robot? I'll take care of him.
Where did T-5000 go? You think he went to the supermarket?
I don't think so.
Look at this guy! Casper, what the hell are you doing there? Get up!
What's your favorite scary movie?
Lucy? Timmy, I need to find Luke. Where is he? I don't know. I haven't seen him for days.
Timmy, I don't think that's really Lucy.
It's me!
This is the last person you're ever gonna see alive.
Casper!
It's showtime. I wanna play a game.
What kind of game? Maybe Hungry Hungry Hippos.
Timmy, I don't think he means party games.
Come get some, you fake ghost face.
My last piece. I think it's Tom.
Papa Big Chin, you came to save me.
Wrong. I'm here to save myself.
Well, that was rude.
Yeah, it was. See? He got nothing on me. I have to find Luke.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Time for you to go.
No!
It's time to find Luke.
What's gonna happen if he finds Luke?
I don't know. Where's the robot?
Mom! That robot went to go find Luke.
Well, he's not gonna find him because he's here. Come on, Luke.
Where'd you find Luke?
He was at my mother's house.
Grandma? Duh. Luke, why haven't you been around to chill? Doesn't matter. Where's that robot? He just left through the window to go find you. But he's not gonna find you because you're here.
You're coming with me, Luke.
Do we have a problem?
Quit being depressed about Luke and Lucy.
But I can't help it. I miss them.
They were gonna destroy the world. Maybe it's a good thing they're gone.
You son of a... Mom, whoop his butt.
Timmy, let's just relax and I'll make you a cup of hot cocoa.
Make sure it's piping hot in case I gotta throw it at someone.
Debbie, don't you got somewhere to go?
I forgot to wash my legs. I'll be back later, Trevor.
Disgusting. And what are you doing? I think I can bring back Luke and Lucy with this.
You're right. Prototype can summon the androids.
No. Great. The beginning of new trouble. Timmy, here's a cup of hot cocoa. Be careful, it's hot.
Thank you, Mama Bear. Ooh, it's boiling. Enough to melt skin.
Okay, I'm gonna try to summon Luke and Lucy.
We're back. Yeah, but how? Lucy! Billy summoned you with Prototype's powers. Thanks, Billy.
Great. I'm sorry about your friend Luke and Lucy. You brought them back. Well, good thing I have an emergency self-destruct button.
No! Ugh.
Oh, my friends! Ugh, you melted his face with the hot cocoa.
I have a feeling he's gonna be back, and more powerful than ever.